So the main riff of this song starts off on the 7th fret of the D, 9th fret of the G. We play these notes together, strumming down up. Then we have a muted strum and an up strum on 7 and 7. We have another muted hit before we strum 7 on the D and 9 on the G up. And 2 muted hits. We have 7 and 9, but we're going to pull off from 9 to 7 on the G and do 2 muted hits straight after. Then we're going to hammer on from 7 to 9 on the G and 2 muted hits straight after. That's the entire main riff. We're going to start this song on an F bass chord. Sam plays it with his thumb over the top on the 1st fret of the low E, but you can use your first finger there if you prefer. Either's fine, really. We've got 3rd finger, 3rd fret of the A, pinky finger, 3rd fret of the D, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the G, open B and high E strings. Stay on that for 2 full bars. We're then going to move up to a G7 bass chord. Sam plays it with his thumb over the top on the low E string at the 3rd fret, 3rd finger, 5th fret of the A, and 2nd finger, 4th fret of the G. All the other strings are open. Same again, 2 full bars. The 3rd chord we go to is an A bass chord. We've got a thumb over the top on the 5th fret of the low E. We've got 7th fret with the 3rd finger on the D string, open G, B and E's. The rhythm does change here. It goes down, down, up, down, up. For 1 bar only before we move the bass up to a B with the 2nd finger, which is the 7th fret of the low E string. Down, down, up, down, up. So then we move up to the C bass chord, which is 8th fret, 2nd finger on the low E, and 7th fret of the G with the 1st finger. And same strumming, down, down, up, down, up. Slide this up 2 frets to 10 and 9. Same strumming. So just from the 3rd chord there. So played slowly, we have the F for 2 bars. G for 2 bars. Then the A, B, C, D. And up to speed. Back through the main riff.